This 2010 Fleetwood Bounder 33U is a Class A RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2010 Fleetwood Bounder 33U is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.